Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about three tools that will help you grow your e-commerce business. In business, if you want to succeed, you have to take advantage of tools. Just like a farmer who wants to succeed in his business, he has to have his cutlass, his tractor and all. So they also in business, if you want to succeed in the business of e-commerce, there are tools that can help you succeed. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all these tools that I use in my e-commerce business that helps me get better results in my advertising, in the creative process, in the systems and structures process of my business. And today I'm your host, Victor Ejimogu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also make sure you like this video and leave a comment below to ask your questions after we're done with the video. So let's move on. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you three of the most important tools, or few of the most important tools, because you cannot share all the old tools here. And also, there are some tools that are undiscovered yet. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the tools that I use in my e-commerce business that helps it grow. These tools have helped me achieve better results, and also they have helped me systemize and structure my e-commerce business without breaking the bank. All the tools I'm going to be listing in this video are free tools. You can, I think only one has a paid version, but you can also make use of the free tools and it will work perfectly well for you as a beginner who is just starting your e-commerce business. So let's move on. Now, the first one is WhatsApp. What can you use WhatsApp to do? You can use WhatsApp to close customers. WhatsApp is a very, very powerful tool when it comes to closing customers. Why do I say so? Customers feel at home when they chat you on WhatsApp. I've noticed that if my customers or my potential customers come to my sales page, if they don't see a WhatsApp button there, they are always asking, can I get the number that I can chat it on WhatsApp? Can I chat it on WhatsApp? And if there is a WhatsApp button on the sales page, they will always want to, before placing an order on the website, they always want to chat with somebody. They just want to feel that human connection or have a conversation with somebody before they place an order. And one of the ways you can actually make customers place an order is by using voice notes to answer them when they ask a question. Like if a customer asks a question, how much is this product? How does this product work? You can use a voice note instead of just typing text. Use a voice note. The reason why a voice note works is that it makes your customers feel like, oh, there's a human being behind this brand. That it's not just a bunch of text and images on the website, but there's somebody actually behind this brand that is willing to put me through in the business and to help you close more sales. Number two, you can use WhatsApp to structure and systemize your delivery agents in different states. I use WhatsApp to do this. What I do is that I have, in all my delivery states, I actually have WhatsApp group for all my delivery agents. So when a customer places an order and will confirm that order, all I need to do is copy the order. I tell my assistant to copy the order and place it in the WhatsApp group of delivery agents. Like say we get an order for Lagos delivery, we copy it and paste it in the group for Lagos delivery. That way, Lagos delivery agents will be in that group, my assistant will be in that group, or my staff will be in that group, and I'll also be in that group so I can see what is happening. So they paste the order there in the group, and then the delivery agent sees the order, calls the customer and delivers, and then gives us updates on that group, and also remits to us and drops the screenshot of the remittance in that same group. So WhatsApp is very, very essential for building your e-commerce business. So let's move on. Number three, you can also use WhatsApp group to post content for potential customers to see. WhatsApp group is an untapped gold mine. Many people think that WhatsApp group is just for spamming. No, you can actually use WhatsApp group to nurture your audience. It's like a free version. Sorry, WhatsApp is like has more conversions even than email. I've noticed that I get more sales from people on WhatsApp than from people on my email list. although they come through my email list o, but I get the conversion happens. People actually buy my products on WhatsApp. WhatsApp group is very, very powerful. You can use WhatsApp to be posting content about your products and people will be buying your product there. If you belong to my Millionaire Maker product group, you will see how I convert people on my WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group is a very, very powerful place for converting your audience, for building that know, like and trust factor. WhatsApp group works very well. So if you are looking for a platform where you want to nurture your audience, share updates with your audience, WhatsApp group works very effectively for that. Number 4, you can use WhatsApp to gather reviews. Like when you sell to a customer now, you can go to WhatsApp and ask them, oh customer, how was this product? How did it work for you? Now they will give you their reviews. They can give you via voice note, they can share a screenshot with you, or they can write the text. What you can do is you can screenshot that text, blur their name out if they want their privacy. You can crop their name out and post that screenshot and put that screenshot on your website. It will get you more orders, reviews from customers. You can get them from WhatsApp, and then you can use it to get more customers by putting those reviews on your website. By the time a customer sees that, wow, people are buying this product and they're giving good reviews on WhatsApp, they are more likely to take action on your product. Number 5, you can also use WhatsApp to attend to customers when you are not there. There is what they call automated response on WhatsApp. Automated response. So let's say your staff has gone on weekend, or you are on weekend break and you are not there, but your business is still running hard. How can you make your customers, feel attended to even when you are not there? You can use automated responses on WhatsApp business, where a customer comes to make an inquiry and you just give them the brief description of, you welcome them, give them a brief description of your product and just keep them and make them feel like, oh, somebody heard them. You understand? That is the power of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a gold mine in the e-commerce business. So go and use WhatsApp. Now let's move on. Now, the next one is Google Forms. Oh, my animations are a mess. But keep moving on. Google Forms. Now, Google Forms, you can use Google Forms to gather surveys. Like you want to find out more about your audience, you can use Google Forms to gather surveys. I did this, especially if you're in the health niche. You want to know how the type of problem your customers are having and all. So you use Google Forms to gather the surveys from your customers. You can also use Google Forms to receive orders. I use Google Forms to receive orders on my website. I just link my Google Form to my Google Sheets. And then when someone comes to my website, they fill my Google Form, and the orders that they fill go straight to Google Sheets. There I can track orders. You can also use Google Forms to track most of your important states where you get the most orders. You can actually set up Google Forms to track where your orders are coming from. Like when a customer is placing an order, you can ask the person, okay, which state are you? Or you can say, pick your states. They pick Lagos, they pick Abuja, they pick Delta. By the time you have run your ad for like 1 month, Google Sheets will give you like a survey and show you where exactly your orders are coming from. That way, you will know exactly where to be putting your products, stacking your products instead of just scattering your product everywhere. You can know where exactly to be putting your products in order to, maximize your efforts. So you can also use Google Forms to track your most important states where you get the most orders. If I've talked about that one. You can also use Google Forms to track your orders on Google Sheets. On Google Sheets, you put your orders on your customer orders on Google Form. The Google Form then takes them, then send all the orders to Google Sheets. Then you track all the orders on that Google Sheet. Now the next one is Canva. Canva is very, very powerful and it's free. Google Form is free, WhatsApp is free. Canva too is very powerful and it's free. Now what does Canva do? You can use Canva to edit your product pictures. Like I use it to edit my product pictures. You can use Canva to make your product pictures brighter, sharper, more sophisticated, more appealing in the eyes of your potential customer. Canva can do that for you. Also, you can use Canva to design Facebook ad creatives. I use Canva to design my Facebook ad creative and it works very well. It converts well for me. Canva has all the tools that you can use to design a good Facebook ad creative. It works very well for doing that. You can use it to design YouTube thumbnails like I do too. You can use Canva to design flyers, like you are running an event, you are running a so you are running a product promo, you are running end of month promo. You can use Canva to design flyers for your business. You can do that. You can watch videos on YouTube and you learn how to do all that. You can also use Canva to design YouTube thumbnails that stand out. All my YouTube thumbnails have been designed by Canva. So you can actually use Canva to do all those amazing things. Instead of you doing using Photoshop, all those hard graph or CorelDRAW, all those olden days stuff, you can use Canva to do some stuff and it makes a lot of sense. So that's it. So if you want to learn more about how to start an e-commerce business, I will encourage you to get the Millionaire Maker or Product Blueprint. You want to learn that the exact step-by-step e-commerce arbitrage system that helped me raise over 3.5 million naira within less than 60 days to fund my trip to Dubai through the power of e-commerce. Yesterday I was at a party. Of course, most of you would have seen my videos on Facebook and YouTube. I was at a party and I was talking with all these e-commerce guys about the numbers they are doing, the money they are making from e-commerce is wild. There is money in e-commerce. Let nobody whine you. So if you want to learn how to do this business, check the link in the description to learn how to start your own e-commerce business. You can check the link in the description how to start and also grow your own e-commerce business. Check the link in the description to learn more about this, my course, the Millionaire Maker Hospital Blueprint. And also, you can join the Millionaire Maker Hospital Blueprint WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, I share updates on a regular basis, like 3 to 4 times a day. So you can join that WhatsApp group. I will leave the WhatsApp group link both in my website and in the description below. So you can click on it and just join the WhatsApp group, and I promise you that you will be blown away. Join my WhatsApp group and don't forget to like this video. Like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification button so that whenever I make a new video, you will be the first person to be alerted. Thank you and see you next time. And make sure you use all these tools that I've recommended. Thank you.